Hi, welcome back to Orison Financial Tutorial. In this session, we are discussing about the opening voucher, detailed opening, journal voucher, and petty cash voucher. Let's start with opening voucher. The opening balance is the first entry in a firm's accounts, either when they are first starting up or at the start of a new financial year. For entering opening balance, click Opening from Transaction menu. On the left side, you can see the voucher number, date, reference number and so on. In the left side grid, you can see the previous opening entries, and in the right side grid, the ledgers, with the balances. For entering new opening voucher, click on plus button or press F6 key. Please be noted that the date of opening must be less than or equal to the company start date. Select the accounts by using page down key, which have outstanding one by one, and enter the details such as description, debit, or credit, etc. After entering details, click on Save button or press F7 key. For editing the details, click on Edit button or press F2 key. To make searching of ledgers easier, there is an option at the bottom, to filter the account code. Next, we can see the detailed opening voucher. For entering the opening balances, with the actual invoice number, date, amount, check details and so on, we have an option named, Detailed Opening. For that, click on Detailed Opening, in Transaction menu. Same like all the vouchers, in the left side grid, we can see the previous vouchers, and in the right side, on the top, you can see the account for which the opening entered, and in the grid, different voucher details for that account, with voucher number, date, amount, party, and check details, if any. For entering the details, use plus button, or press F6 key, and after entering the details, click on Save button or F7 key, and for editing use F2 key or Edit button. Next comes journal voucher. A journal entry, in accounting, is the logging of a transaction into accounting journal items. The journal entry can consist of several recordings, each of which is either a debit or a credit. The total of the debits must equal the total of the credits, or the journal entry is said to be unbalanced. In Orison Financial, we have the option to enter the journal by using either the Journal menu in Toolbar, or from Transaction menu, click Voucher Entry, and from the submenu click Journal. Here, you can see voucher types of journal voucher, with different title. For entering journal, click Add New, or press F6 key. Current date will come automatically. You can change it, if required. Select the account or ledger, using page down key, and enter the description, debit, or credit, etc. If the entered ledger have VAT entry, click on the VAT button, and enter the invoice number, date, supplier account, TRN number and VAT amount. For more details regarding VAT entries, please check our Orison Financial Part 2 tutorial. Clicking F11 will auto-complete the credit, debit side of the last row. For taking the print, click on a direct print button, and click on Print Voucher, or for viewing the report before taking print, click on Print Preview. We also have check printing option. To enable check printing, some configuration is required. On the top of Journal Voucher, you can see some small icons. Let's have a look at some of these icons. To view the account statement, click on the statement icon. To enter the check details, click on Check Details icon. To attach an image, click on the Attach Image icon and browse the image. To view the image, click on Show Image icon. Next icon we are discussing is Copy Voucher. To make a replica of a journal voucher, after clicking Add New button, click on Copy Voucher icon, and enter the voucher number of the journal, which you want to make a copy. All the entries in that journal will appear in the new voucher, and make changes in that, if required. Same like this, We have another option to create a reverse journal, by using the reverse entry icon. Next, Petty Cash Journal. The Petty Cash Journal contains a summarization of the payments from a petty cash fund. The totals in the journal are then used as the basis for a journal entry into a company's general ledger. For opening the Petty Cash Journal, click on the Petty Cash menu in Transaction Main menu. On the top of the Petty Cash voucher, the cash account which is used as petty cash will appear. On the grid, you can see the expenses or ledgers. For entering the VAT details, click on the VAT button. For entering new voucher, click on plus button or press F6 key. After entering the data, click on Save button or press F7 key. On the left side, you can see small icons for printing, for entering check details, for viewing the journal entry, for attaching images and so on.
If you need further information and support, please feel free to reach us. Contact us any of these numbers, or drop an email with your contact details. Our support team will get back to you.